Hello there, my name is Squalo and welcome to the most important crypto video in my YouTube channel. So in this video, I really want to talk about Bitcoin, what's going on, because it's about to explode, and I'm going to show you the chart and exactly what I'm looking at, etc. But, and there's a big but, in this video, I want to share a secret with you that I've personally been using to make millions of dollars in the cryptocurrencies with zero risk. And I know that a lot of people are going to say in the comments right now that there is no such thing as zero risk in the crypto world or investing in general. And that's the case unless you actually start thinking out of the box. And let me just, without any further ado, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so that you're notified when I make a new upload. Because in this YouTube channel, you'll learn a lot and you learn to think out of the box. Many of you know that I do have, trading courses and stuff, which is tomscrollo.com. And a lot of people, saying, ha, you're selling courses, this is so funny, whatever. But the thing that these haters and shallow-minded people don't understand is how much money there is in selling good information. So, and any one of you, I know that a lot of people who are into the crypto world, just by the way, look at this spectacular view in Dubai, and a lot of people in the crypto world and a lot of people who are watching me, and you guys and girls, you know a lot about trading, and you could have your own crypto course, trading course, long-term investing course, risk and money management course. Doesn't matter what it is. And what I'm going to show you in my Stripe, the amount of money I'm making from my education, which is zero risk. I created the content, I marketed it, I enjoy life, I show good times, and I show this kind of lifestyle. And the better lifestyle I show, the more money I make from my education. And the income is no joke. So let me just show it to you. So here, this is Stripe. This is my company, Thomas Crollo LLC. And those of you who are using Stripe know what it all looks like. So this is a report for last year, so for 2021. So, and this is the gross volume, $1.78 million. And you can see all the details here, successful payments, high-risk payments, and whatever, new students, etc. And this, guys and girls, this is not all of it, because I also accept crypto payments for my trading education. I also take direct wire transfers, PayPal, etc. So in 2021, in a passive zero risk income, the revenue was $2.3 million in 2021. And the profit margin of this business is about, depending on how you do it, is about 40 to 60%. I personally, last year, made over $1 million in clean cash profits from my trading education. And I also have bestinvesting.tips and a bunch of other stuff. So I have literally currently 7 income sources besides long-term investing into crypto or stocks or active trading, which I also did quite well this year with active Bitcoin trading. But that's not the only thing. I make millions of dollars from a bunch of stuff. And here is an example. And you could be one of those people who you're trading actively, you're doing well, you're making money, but you could make a lot more money on top of it with zero risk by becoming an online educator. But it's a tough job. I mean, selling courses properly is quite a tough business. It's not as simple as going on Udemy and selling them for $20. It's not going to work. You need a proper platform that you can build yourself. You need a proper team that you can come up with yourself in the very beginning with, a few people who will help you, which it's very easy to do. It doesn't cost a lot of money. You can integrate good, like cybersecurity for your product so it doesn't get stolen and doesn't show up for free on torrents and stuff, which is very important. And for that reason, and that's what a lot of people have been asking me, and today is the day when Executive Margin by Thomas Crollo is launched. So yes, it's finally live, and I'm super excited because this is another huge business for me, and this is something that executivemargin.ae, there is also a link down in the description, which will help you to turn your knowledge into a risk-free asset that is going to give you incredible passive income for the rest of your life. You create your course once, you market it properly, you create the automation, you automate it with automated webinars and stuff. And here, once again, just last year, 1.7 just in Stripe, in total $2.3 million, millions of dollars from just knowledge and courses. Who could have thought? So go to executivemargin.ae. That's where I teach everything that I know in terms of proper marketing, proper course creation, proper structures, proper website development, proper team formation, proper company formation and risk and money management when it comes to different ad spends and stuff. So everything that you need to know to make millions from your knowledge and to become another online educator who is posing with a rental Lamborghini, whatever, but who makes millions of dollars actually doing it. So be smart and use your knowledge in an active way. So you're trading, you're showing your trades and you're doing well, that's fine. But create extra passive income and make extra few $1,000,000 a year. And actually next year, in 2022, we're planning to take it to at least $5 million in revenue. And it's going to be about $3 million of profit for me just from TomSwallow.com. So go to executivemargin.ae, use the promo code LAUNCH and get an incredible launch discount. Remember that the prices for executive margin are gonna be increased very, very soon. So hurry up. And for the time being, let's go and get into the Bitcoin charts. Bitcoin chart itself, there are quite a few important things we have to take a look at. It's a very important moment for Bitcoin right now. But first, let's take a look at this here. So this is something that was posted by Cointelegraph. And here is that the Bittrex whale, the new 45K BTC sell wall, appears amid worries that Bitcoin could retrace. A whale who bought at 34,000 now looks set to sell near current levels, etc. And also, if we're gonna take a look also at, where is it, Jesus? At this one right here, we'll see this is the third biggest Bitcoin wallet. And here we can see that this wallet has sold at 1,500 Bitcoin. Again, you know, a lot of people are talking about this, but to be honest, I mean, this whale is actually holding 123,000 Bitcoin. So it's like about 1% of the holding. So yeah, I don't know. I'm not really sure that this is that big of a deal, but nonetheless, if we go to the chart itself, we're currently in the 4-hour chart. Let's switch to the daily chart, and we'll see, as I've mentioned to you many times before, that this level is going to be super important, 44,700. And make some noise down in the comments for Mr. Spot On, because I did tell you guys about this level being super important. And the next one, for just a confirmation of all the confirmations, is going to be 45,700. So, and if we're gonna go to a 4-hour one, let's take a look at what's going on. Remember, I did tell you about this climbing wedge right here, that in this instance, if it would have broken below, which actually climbing wedges have supposedly more likelihood of breaking downwards, then I would have actually tried to hedge my position once again. But nonetheless, it actually broke above it and is currently, look, it's squeezing real tightly in this vicinity right here, in this flag right here. And that's why I'm saying that the big move is coming, like literally today or tomorrow. So we had this resistance, this green resistance of this wedge, and now it actually became support of it right here. And our current resistance is this level that I've told you about, which was 44,700 right here. So if we go to a 15-minute chart, we're gonna see just how spot on these two levels actually are. And this cannot keep happening forever. So we really need to, and we just bounced off of it right here yet again. So we either break below, and this is an incredible shorting opportunity as long as there is volume and there are confirmations. And then another one, longing opportunity, is if we finally are gonna break above. So, and for this reason, I'm still having my trade open over on Bybit, which is currently at $16,000 in profit right here. And my stop loss is already far in the profit. So in the worst case scenario, if it turned really fast, I'll either close it and actually open a short trade, just as I explained before, just to hedge a portion of my portfolio in case if it actually decides to break down, because there is a lot of selling pressure at this level right here. But nonetheless, this is something I am really keeping right now until we see, you know, a real break downward. So I'm not taking that profit of $16,000 just yet. And remember, if you want to be trading actively, then look no further than Bybit. And with my personalized link down in the description of this video, you'll get a $4,100 of free bonuses on top of your initial deposit. And if you're from the United States, use NordVPN to access this platform or any other crypto platform. And with my link to NordVPN, which you can find also down in the description, you'll get a 73% discount on NordVPN. So, and this is exactly what's it comes down to this area right here. And usually these break really in the last 70% at the most of the wedge itself, of the flag. So this is already very close to about 70%. So we should really see a break very soon, because usually, remember, it doesn't really go to the end like this, you know, and then breaks above. Very rarely. Usually it breaks before the last 30% of the flag itself. So we are going to see a big move in Bitcoin very soon, and that's going to affect other cryptocurrencies, of course, as well. And hopefully this break is going to actually be above. And then if we stabilize above, as mentioned previously, 45,700, this is gonna be the confirmation of the reversal, with our targets to 52, 56, 58, etc. $1,000. So make some noise in the comments if you're bullish on Bitcoin. Don't forget about executivemargin.ae if you want to use your own knowledge and create a passive income out of it. And if you're into crypto, really, maybe you play guitar well, or you know, you want to teach other people how to speak English, whatever it is, you know, we can really teach anything: e-commerce, drop shipping, trading, investing, etc. And Executive Margin is the place which is going to help you to do just that. And as always, stay smart, stay rich, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.